Hi everyone, we're back with another great update video. This time it has to do with your email statistics. If you come into the email section of the marketing area and you check out your campaigns, you can see we have this new statistics section, this new statistics tab available for you. This has been in the account for a little while now, and we've improved it even further. Now, if you click on statistics, you can come in here. First of all, you get a great overview of the amount of email that's being sent, if you have any bounced emails, people who've unsubscribed, spam complaints, etc. You can come down here and look at all of your emails and kind of see the open and click rates through there. If you're selling anything through these emails, you can see the revenue that's been generated, which is also really great. And now on top of that, you can come in here to this area and really filter by month, or as you can see, we have a couple great quick filters here. You can go last 30 days, 60, 90, etc. And you can also do something custom. So if I say here, I want to see how my email performance for the month of June was, I can select the dates for June. And now I can scroll down and see how many emails were delivered, opened, clicked. And again, if you have any orders going out via the email, and you can see that here, this account is crushing it. Over 4,000 emails sent with 0 bounced in June, 0 unsubscribed in June, and 0 spam complaints. So this is really great. Down here, you can then, of course, see also here the click rate. You can see unsubscribe rate, which is a flat line here. Really awesome. Spam complaints, open rate, etc. So you just have even more options now to really see how your email campaigns are performing over time. And hopefully this will help you to tweak and adjust your business strategy so that you can be even more successful as time goes on. If you have any questions about how to work with these email statistics, just let our team know through the support portal in your account. And otherwise, we will see you in the next update video.